Alright everybody, it's blasting wind right now, 30, 35 knots, and we're going to be landing on a short runway here at Red Deer Airport. Let's go. Alright, so there's the field. It's blowing about 35 knots. We got a little bit of a crosswind we're going to have to deal with on this landing as well. Should adjust my seat here. And we're about to turn final. My palms are sweaty, moms, spaghetti, something. I don't know, I listen to rock music.
Sierra Echo Alpha Tower, wind 310 at 10 gust 20, clear to land, runway 30.
Alright, I lied. Winds are better than I thought. Roger, clear to land, runway 30, Sierra Echo. But less wind means less runway, because when you're landing on a short runway like this one, you want to make sure you have, well, it helps to have a headwind. Alright, speed's good, let's get one stage of flaps. Props are going to come up. And speed's good for the gear. Gear's coming down. That's our runway straight ahead in case you couldn't find it. Okay, let's come back on the power here. Belts, brakes, gear, 3 green, none in the mirror, mixtures, props, and switches. Taxi lights on, and everything here is looking good. Below 145, let's get one more stage of flap. We're going to land with full flap on this one, guys, because shorter runway. There's about 130 knots. We're going to cross the numbers at 105 for this one. And we're going to use the power to adjust our flare. And it's a little bit different to explain that, but also keep an eye out. They're building this big old, got a big tower right there. They're building some big silos.
30017, gusting 30.
Check that Sierra Echo, thanks. Alright, back up to 17 gusting 30. Alright, flaps are set, gear, props, and flaps. Wow, she's bumpy. Now this approach profile's looking good. I got sweaty palms, guys. Gear, props, flaps, everything's looking good here. There's 110. Now once we're clear of all these obstacles, we're gonna dip down a little bit here. Just 105. Probably a little slow. A touch of power here. There we go. Now watch out, we got birds everywhere. There's set the power. Set the power, set the power. Yes, use that drag. Oh, silky smooth, everybody. Does not get better than that.
Tower, did you want to exit Delta at the end or to backtrack for Kilo?
That's perfect, we'll exit at the end. Sierra Echo.
Sierra Echo Alpha Tower, exit Delta, taxi Delta, cross runway 35, Bravo Alpha Charlie to apron 2, just monitor ground, 129 off the runway.
Roger, taxi Delta, cross runway 35, and then I think it's, sorry, it was Alpha?
Bravo Alpha Charlie to apron 2, just monitor.
Roger, Bravo Alpha Charlie apron 2, circle, monitor ground, circle. Alright, there you go, folks. Alright, flaps confirmed coming up. Woohoo! That can all come off, pressurization can come off. I did get a little slow. You notice how my speed dropped below what I wanted it to be for short final, so added a little bit of power. And when you got gusty conditions like this, you want to make sure you're on top of that, but not too much power, because we're going to be, we don't want to be carrying too much speed over the runway and then float too long. So you got to kind of use good judgment. Practice, practice, practice makes perfect, everybody. New pilots out there, just practice that stuff. And I'm telling you, I've been flying these airplanes here for about 12 years, and I'm still learning new things every single day.